Let's sign into Saleboat and navigate to the prospect and client list. Once here, we can see all of the prospects and clients that belong to us. Now, let's filter the list to see only one client. Here we can see the tags, classification, and pipeline stage of this client. We can also see their name, who they belong to, what their opportunity value is, and when they were last contacted. That red text means that they are neglected. To see a prospect or client profile, simply click on their name. If the prospect is worth calling again, copy the name exactly by pressing Ctrl+C. Press the plus button, press task, and then type call, and then paste the name exactly using Ctrl+V. Set the due date and click create. If the prospect is not worthwhile, scroll down in their profile, click on the dormant checkbox, and remember to click on Save Changes.